Well, we're on the road again. We had a nice little night's sleep in like a little gravel pit, about an hour north of Pardue, and now we're going. Was it Anna Plains?
Yes.
How far is that?
150 k's.
150 k's to Anna Plains, and hopefully check in there around lunchtime. Pretty cool. Anyway, let's get out of here. How good's this little spot? Anna Plains Station. Bloody ripper little campground. It's only about 12 or so spots, but a little toilet and showers just up there. And yeah, so much grass. It's been a while now. We've got full power, full water. Both happy with that. Use the dryer as much as you want.
Dryer?
Hair dryer.
Ah, yeah.
Oh. This is out behind our little caravan. Beautiful little spot. But anyway, we're going to head off now to check out the hot tub, which is what Soch just wanted to come here for. A little natural hot tub. And then after that, touch wood, we'll go see the beach. See what it looks like. So this is what Sochi's come to see. A little natural hot tub, which apparently you just pull this pipe out, crack that little plug in down there, and it fills up with water. Natural hot tub. So we'll give it a crack, I guess, see if it works. What do you reckon?
Good.
We've got the chair floating around. Well, that's it. She's all full. She's bloody warm, so we're going to jump in, I think. Have a nice drink in here. Oh, this is a bloody good pool, this. Bloody warm as well. But how good's that view? First day at Anna Plains, over the moon. It's bloody great. Nice pool, in the wilderness, and then I think we're heading to the beach soon. Here she comes. What do you want, mate? Yeah. Get your hair under there.
No. Oh, this would be good for my shoulders.
There's nothing wrong with your shoulders.
Yeah, they are. I've been lifting weight.
So she's petrified of getting her hair wet. She washes it every
week, once a week, and it's an absolute effort. So I'll probably wash it tomorrow morning though.
You probably wash it in here.
No.
Ow. Not happy with the chair.
No.
So she's had to get another gate. She's struggling with a gate, but she's going to drive off for it again. She loves it when I do that, so check it out. That's a bit harsh. It's low tide, which is a bit of a bugger. But we'll have a look at that. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it's a bit of a bugger, low tide. But it is what it is. It's bloody, this beach just goes on for miles and miles. There's another one, look at that. Loads of shells around, coral everywhere. But I'm going to try and make my way down to this water here. See if I can actually get a feel of it. We're the only car we can see for miles. Well, we've got to the water, but it's still not much of water. I mean, there's another, dare I say, 100 metres to the water, which I might as well walk out to. Check it out. Well, I probably wouldn't do that if I was you guys, because About 3 steps in, look at it. Just turns to muddy slop, which is a right pain. So unfortunately I ain't getting to the water's edge. Bugger. But we'll keep on moving, I guess, because you can't get to the water. There's this bloody spot over the moon. We got power and water, bloody great, and just everything's nice and green. Bloody stunning here. So a quick and easy meal tonight. We've got nachos, gonna chuck that straight on the Weber, and have a nice warm shower as well. It's only the one night here, so we'll try and make the most of it. Warm shower, power, fresh water. How's that for a bloody sunset? About to put the nachos on, but you just can't beat this sunset, can you? Absolutely stunning. What do you reckon?
Bit bright, bit orange.
Bit orange?
I bet the camera isn't doing anything.
Yeah, camera's not doing this justice at all. How was your shower?
Yeah. He said the pressure was rubbish. Do you mean these? Because I nearly got taken out.
Well, I reckon I'm going to watch this sunset and then I'm going to have a quick shower as well. How good's that? Nachos on the Weber with the bloody sunset to die. Bloody sun's going behind the clouds just as we pull up. Anyway, we've made it to Portsmouth Lagoon, which was about 2 hours actually up the road from Anna Plains, but pretty uneventful little drive, pretty boring really, nothing really happened. This is the way in, and I don't really know what to expect here. 23 k's in. No idea what to expect here. Soch has booked it, so the lagoon's pretty good. You can fish in it, so touch wood, I want to try and have a little fish in there. Anyway, we'll get in there, 23 k's. So we're at Portsmouth Campgrounds now, which is a bloody green little spot. We've just bought, well, Soch bought a little ice cream for herself. Bargain, $5. But we got our little spot, which is, what number are we, Sochi? 26. So we'll head around. You did say head up the back here, around and back across. But we'll head up there and check it out. Set everything up. go check out the lagoon, I guess. All set up. Site 26. It's a bit of a pain because we came down this side and there's no numbers to tell you where you are on this side. Only on the other side here. Anywho, we just did a lap of the block and come back. Good little spot. Beautiful little shaded area. Power, water, and even a little dump point where you can put your hose for your waste. Which is pretty good. And Soch just puts the washing on. So happy days. Happy with that?
Yeah, washing my towels.
Sheets?
No, I don't need to. I only done them last week.
Fair enough. And then we're going to have some lunch and then head to the lagoon, I think. Check it out. Here we are at the lagoon. What do you reckon?
Wishing it was high tide?
Yeah. I thought it was jellyfish from thing there. Oh. It's only one. But unfortunately it's low tide for a while now. It's going to be like this for ages. But it's not going to stop me. I'll try and have a fish. Hello, mate. We're using a little soft plastic. Apparently it's a satay chicken. Anyway, we'll see if these fish here like satay chicken, I guess. You dog. Adjusting the drag and look at him. Smashed the old satay chicken's tail off. He just needs a pull. Hey?
Jack to the rescue once again.
Well, no fish, unfortunately. It's a bit of a bugger. I'm going to have to up my game, I think, because further up north we get, the more I want to catch a barramundi. No idea. So yeah, I'm going to have to watch some videos, I think. Do some learning, because finding out I'm pretty useless. Anywho, we've got a roast for dinner tonight, Sunday night, so she's going to learn how to, well, she's going to try and do some Yorkshire puddings. That's it, forgot them. Check out her potatoes she's just done. Bloody beautiful. I don't know about the Yorkshire puddings, they're a bit air-gun, but those potatoes. So Sochi's Yorkshires have ended up in the pot of roast beef. They're cooking. What's your thoughts? What do you reckon? How'd they go?
10 out of 10 for effort.
Oh, camera can't see you.
1 out of 10 for outcome. They look like cakes. Do they taste alright?
Gives her something to work on for the next time. Next Sunday. She'll have it down pat, I reckon. Oh, bloody good sleeping this morning. It's just after 9 now, so we've got to pack up and get out of here before 10, but bloody good spot this one. Beautiful hot showers, power, water. I mean, you can't complain with that. And old mate from yesterday that got bogged bought over a 6-pack of beer, so pretty stoked with that. Had a good chat with him. Anyway, we'll pack this up and get out of here. That's us, all done at Portsmouth. Thoughts? What was your favourite? Anna Plains or Portsmouth?
Both very different. I don't think you can even choose.
Yeah. One's got a big massive beach, and the other's got a
Hot tub.
yeah.
Oh, no, you're talking about a plane.
And a big lagoon.
Yeah, it's just the tides.
Yeah.
The tides are bad.
Yeah. Bit of a pain, tides, but you get that. Anyway, that's gonna be us. Until the next one. Thanks for watching. See you later.